Now come over your knees. You can use knee pad if you have too much knee issues. Okay, just use your knee pad or maybe folded blanket or anything. Alright, now at this time just use one knee pad. Okay, so what we are going to do, extend your one leg to the side. Okay, so let's start with the right side. Now extend your right leg towards the right side in such a way that your heel is in one straight line with your knee and your toe is pointing outside. Okay, and your knee is almost at 90-degree angle. Okay, now at this point you have to put your left hand over your left hip and right hand over the knee. Okay, now you have to take a deep breath in, and as you exhale you have to push your hips down. It will create the stretch in your groins area and definitely will stretch out both of your quads at the same time. Okay, so just go down as per your comfort. You do not have to go too much down. You just have to feel the extension and the stretches in your body. Okay, this will be very good for your hips as well. Your groins will be opening. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we will do just a few sets of it. All right, now just make sure that you keep balanced and do not hunch your back, or just make sure that your whole body is in one plane. Your body, your both knees should be in one place completely. Okay, now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale push your hips down. Go with the flow of the breath again. Alright, inhale up, exhale, push your hips down. Try to measure the depth of your leaning down every time you push your hips down. Okay, inhale up, exhale, push down. See how down can you reach. Very good. Inhale up, exhale, push down. Inhale up. Is your knee totally comfortable? Do you feel any kind of uncomfortableness? Okay. Alright, just 3 more rounds. Inhale and exhale. Push your hips down. Okay. Make sure to use your breath very nicely. Okay. Inhale up. Okay, so let's go. Just 2 more rounds with the ujjayi breath. Inhale. And as you exhale, go down. Do you feel the ujjayi breath? Okay, just contract your throat. Okay, it takes time to learn a proper way, but it will definitely help. Okay, so one last time. Now we'll hold. Okay, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, go down and just hold. Try to find your stability. Close your eyes and just feel the stretches. 1, 2. Keep focusing on the breath, especially your exhalations. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Inhale, gently come up. Bring your both knees down and relax into. You just open up your leg, okay, and shake your legs and relax. Then we will go on the other side. All right. Okay, now let's go to the other side. Now extend your left leg. Okay, now again make sure that your heel is right in one line with your knee. Okay, now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, reach down. Very good. Again, try to use ujjayi breath. Contract your throat as you exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. One more thing. Try to do the exhalations longer than your inhalation. Your exhalations are normally supposed to be double of the duration of your inhalation. For example, if you inhale for 4 counts, then exhale for at least 6 to 8 counts. So always try to put more efforts on your exhalations. That will also help to open up your muscles. Okay, inhale and exhale, go down. Very good. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 2 rounds. Inhale up. And exhale down. Try to feel the opening of your hip joints at the more deeper level. Inhale up. Now the last count with the holding. Okay, now just try to open up your muscles, loosen up everything. Tight hips, tight parts, tight muscles. Somewhere resonates the stored trauma or any kind of negative emotions or any kind of experience of your life in your muscles which are needing a way to release out. Okay, so you just let go of everything, either it's a physical thing or a mental or a spiritual thing. Just let go and make yourself free. Okay, so let's go. Take a deep long breath in, feeling the peace in your body. And as you exhale, now close your eyes and just go down. Hold there, and with every exhalation, you have to release everything which is locked inside your tight muscles. Keep breathing and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, gently come up, and now just relax. Open up your legs, lean back gently and shake your legs.